Hello, my friend.
Which one is your friend? Can't somebody walk freely again?
No, I wanted to tell you.
Stop it. If it's not my friend, it's your color. Now your own now is your friend. Please, I know my friend.
I wanted to.
No,
I wanted to tell you that.
Oga, stop it though. Not because of you, I come out for us. What's it? Can't somebody just walk freely again? Ha! Are you starting?
It's shocking.
I have to call this boy now that I'm close. Okay, yeah. Wait, I don't understand. Where is my phone? Wait, I can't find my phone. Bros, I beg 2 minutes.
Me?
Yes.
How are you?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Sir, please, I can't find my phone. I don't know if I can quickly use your phone just to call my phone. 2 minutes, sir. Please, I'm very sorry.
To call your phone?
Yes, I misplaced my, but I can't find my phone.
I'm not sure you're not a thief.
Sir, I can't be a thief.
Call your number.
Let me type it.
Type it now.
Babe. Yes, baby.
I love you.
I love you too.
Yes! 1xBet is the best and most reliable betting platform now, and you can register for free. Guess what? You can get up to 200% bonus on your first deposit if you use my promo code DaSaint. You can win up to 130,000 naira. A man in Kazakhstan just won $2 million, and guess what? You can make deposit on 1xBet using Bitcoin wallet and other cryptocurrencies. Yes, everybody's winning on 1xBet. Join now. Join. Kiss now. Kiss now.
Let me hold the phone, sir. Let me hold the phone.
Yeah, speak.
Hello? Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, the phone you are using to talk to me now is my phone. It's my phone. I misplaced the phone. You're the one that was calling me. No, I didn't know that. I didn't know you were calling me because of the phone, sir. I didn't know. I swear to my life, I didn't know you were calling me because of the phone. Where are you? Alright. No, sir. How do I get it, sir? Sir, I think it's your card. Sir, please, can you? I don't know. Sir, please, he said it's in Ore, and I don't even have money. Please, I don't know if you can help me with any small money. I don't know. Let me just find my way to Ore. He said he's traveling to Lagos.
After I've given you my phone to make call, finish my car, I should still give you money to go to Ore.
Sir, please,
I'll slap you. That's what I tell the thief. Fine girl like you. This is what you stoop so low to be doing. To be doing scam.
Sir, no, it's my
419.
You can check my bank.
You have my card. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Oh, it don't work.
What do I do now? What do I do now? I don't even have money.